Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Fidelity Bank application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you will never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. First, check if you are connected to a strong internet or not. Turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data and get connected. Now head over to your app drawer and tap Open Play Store in the search box that appears at the top. Search for Fidelity Bank and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the search results. Tap on the first search result that you see from this page. And this was the app that we are looking for. Tap on the Install button in order to begin the downloading process and wait until the application gets downloaded on an Android device. With the Fidelity online banking app downloaded on an Android, you can easily get access to your bank account right from your mobile devices anywhere at any time. Manage your account, transfer money from one account to another, view your statements, and much more. Once the application is installed and it's ready for use, you'll be able to see an Open button popping up right beneath it. Tap it on to launch the app. Open and get started. That is how you can easily download Fidelity mobile banking application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.